So if you got this JLab Go Air Pop TWS earbuds, it's running into connection, pairing, or sound issues, sometimes a hard reset can save the day. So in this complete guide, we're going to walk you through the steps to factory reset your JLab earbuds and get them back to working properly. This might seem a bit tricky at first, but don't worry, watch till the end. It's actually pretty straightforward. Now, before the reset, it's recommended that you should forget or unpair the earbuds from whatever device is paired to. Now, prior to reset, make sure to put the earbuds inside the charging case so they can power up. Keep the lid open. Now, quickly press 7 times on either the right or the left earbud. It'll show 4 blinking blue LED. Do the exact same on the other earbud. You need to reset both the earbuds. After the reset, if you take out the buds, one will show solid and another will show blinking blue and white LED, means they're in pairing mode. And the reset is successful. Thanks for watching.